Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Garage. So today we are going to be continuing on with projects in our 1960 Cadillac Hearse here. I'm just going to continue to detail the inside. We're going to pull the front seat right now, wire brush the front floors, remove the little bit of carpet that's in the front here because it's pretty nasty. I'm going to start detailing the table here in a little bit. I'm not sure if I'll get to all of that today, so I hope you'll continue to tune in to watch my videos. Our transmission for our 1960 Cadillac limousine just left a little bit ago, so that's good. We're going to get started on that project finally. Can't wait to get it put back in and start driving that car again. But so like I said, first thing we're going to do, remove our seats. If you use a little quarter drive with a very short little socket on it, you can typically get this in under there to get the seat bolts out. It's really fun to reach. Otherwise, obviously just use a regular wrench. The bolts are 1/2 inch size. So that's what we're going to do first. Let's jump in and get started. Thanks for watching, everybody. You'll have to pardon the nasty floors, everybody. We haven't started vacuuming up here yet. But anyway, these are your seat bolts right here. 4 of them, 2 in front, 2 in back. And as I said, they are 1/2 inch size. So I've already got that one loose. I'm going to pull it out. And I'll get back to you guys when this is out. I don't want to put you through the torture of watching me loosen bolts. So kind of just a good little practice to get into. We pulled the seat out right now, but I'm going to put the bolts back in the floor and tighten them down just so that we don't have any questions later like, oh, what are these for? They will still be, you know, where they're supposed to go. But then obviously when we go to put carpet back in and the seat back in, we'll just take them out again and put them back in again. Just a little helpful little tip. But anyway, here's our floors. They look really, really good, except for obviously being very, very dirty. So next stop, gonna get the vacuum out. Found this little fragment of paper inside of it. It says relatives and friends, probably out of like a book that you would have signed at a funeral. Very, very old piece of paper, so I thought that was kind of interesting. It was under the front seat. Probably came off of some flowers or something maybe. Alright guys, so here's the finished product for our floors. I'll continue to wire brush a little bit and clean a little more on my own time. But obviously super clean, no rust. Not sure what happened there. That's going to have to be fixed. It actually looks like something came up through the floor. The floor is ripped. It's not rust, but there's like a little hole right there, so that's very odd. Maybe something came up from the road through the floor. I don't know. But we'll have to address that. But otherwise, the floors are absolutely fantastic. It still has the, I should say, they still have the red oxide primer from the factory. A little bit of surface rust here, but no cancer, no squishy parts, nothing like that we have to worry about. So I'm very grateful for that. So yeah, they look fantastic. The dash on this car is so pretty. Couldn't be happier with that. Haven't even detailed it yet. So I wanted to introduce you all to my little friend. Hi, Annabelle. She likes to hang out while I'm out working here on cars. This is our little shop kitty. Good place to rest, right, girl? Alright guys, we're done with our project for today. We got our seat out, we got our floors cleaned. The floors look fantastic, no rust, super solid. Very happy with what we found. The next video that I'm going to do, I hope you guys will tune in. I'm going to do a very in-depth detailing video of our table here and the whole back of the car. The only thing we're really going to do, I want to preserve the originality of the car. So I just want to clean the door panels. I have obviously these other 2 door panels for this side. I want to clean everything really nicely. And I'm going to, like I said, probably wax and steel wool all of the floors to bring that original luster back to them. But we're going to get, like I said, new carpet up here and get the seat redone. I just want to leave it very original in the rear of the car. So it's really honestly pretty simple, but I'm just continuing on projects that I can do while we're waiting for our engine and things like that. I haven't even been able to take the motor in yet. He is so booked at the shop. So like I said, we're just kind of tinkering on this car and getting done what we can while the motor's out. But anyway, thank you guys always for watching my videos. I hope you'll tune in next time. I love talking to all of you. Thanks for watching Caddy Go Garage. Bye guys. So that little hole that I showed you guys in the video, I'm not sure really what happened to it, but we just put it back together. My dad knocked it back in place, and we're just gonna weld that up shut. Good as new. So we just figured out what this little spot was, just a little snippet to add to the video. The exhaust pipe was actually hanging down below, and it's right there, so it literally comes up right at that same spot. So it obviously just came up and cut the floor. But anyway, like I said, all put back together now, good as new, and we'll just weld that shut here in a couple days, and it'll be all done.